Parents, we just wanted to give you a quick tutorial now that you are on the Google Classroom platform on how to submit classwork to the second grade classroom. So you're going to start your day by looking at the stream, and the stream is just a message to all families, and it outlines exactly the tasks that the students need to do for the day. So here it starts at 0 and it works its way all the way to 10. So the first thing it's asking students to do is to write hi in the comments section. So we're going to scroll down, and as you see, I wrote hi, and we're going to write hi again, and we're going to click the arrow. Okay, after that, it's asking students to go into the morning meeting slides. So remember, we discussed on Friday that we were separating each assignment into separate slides to make it easier for students to scroll and separate the subjects. So morning meeting is a separate slide. That is going to be posted as a material. There is no work that you have to submit with that. Number 2, the morning meeting response. This is where students are going to complete. They'll have their own copy. They'll put in their emoji and they'll type a message to their teacher. Number 3 is the reading workshop slides. Again, this is just a material. There is no work. Students are going to go on Raz Kids and just practice the strategy. Number 4 is phonics. Here, they're just going to practice what Ms. Johnson has outlined for them. Number 5, again, these are just slides. Number 6 is the work that students are going to be doing, and this is posted as an assignment. The writing sheets are for the week. Students complete 1 sheet per day. Math, again, is just slides. And then for number 8 and 9, this is something new that we're trying out tomorrow, which is Google Drawings. And we've posted the assignments as a Google Drawing. Then number 10 is an end of day question. The Zoom meetings are still there. None of the work tomorrow is going to require Class Dojo, but if you're more comfortable with that, instead of using Google Drawing, you can feel free to upload it to your child's portfolio. Just remember that it does change every 2 days. We've also posted a Google Classroom checklist. Just going to show you here. So instead of giving you scheduled times, we are just outlining what students need to do in the day or what students need to do for the week, depending upon how you're structuring it in your household. Okay, if we go back, after I've read the stream, I go to classwork. Okay, and I'm looking for where my class is. So here I've only assigned one thing to myself, but I'm going to show you on your screen what it's going to look like for you tomorrow. So tomorrow here you have everything numbered 1 all the way to 10. Okay, when it has this symbol, I apologize. This is a material. So there's no work that needs to be posted to that. When it has the clipboard symbol, there is work that needs to be posted to that. So if you notice, morning meeting, reading workshop, phonics, writing workshop, and math have no clipboard. When there's a clipboard, there's going to be the expectation that there's work to be done. And here, the end of day check-in is a question. The question is here, and then students are asked to respond. We are checking all of these materials as part of student attendance. So I'm going to go back to the student view. Here's the student view, and this is the Google Drawing, which is something new that we're trying out this week. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Here's the Google Drawings. I'm going to go ahead and enter it. And students are going to be adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers. The directions are here. The first box is for adding, and the second box is for subtracting. So I'm going to go up here to Tools, and I'm going to use the scribble line because the scribble line is the closest to kind of drawing with a pencil. So here, if I use my scribble line, I'm going to try to draw my hundreds. So there are my 500s, 2 10s. Oh, it doesn't like me there. So it might not let you draw a straight line. You might have to draw a box. Okay, and for ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to write it over here, right? 524. So when you're writing and you're trying to make just a straight line, just be mindful of that, right? Maybe do something like this. You might have to insert, let's see, a shape, equation, and a plus sign. Okay, you don't have to have the plus sign, so don't worry about it. I'll go back to scribble, right? 179. Okay, and you don't have to use that. You can insert shapes if you'd like to draw your place value. Okay, you could use a text box if you'd like, and you could type it 524 179. Okay, it's whatever works best for you. Okay, then it will automatically save into the drive. Okay, you're going to go back to the document and you're going to click View Assignment. Okay, and you want to click Turn In.